Hello everyone, how to activate Vanilla Visa gift card? Well, this is very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to purchase and receive your card. So once you have purchased and received your Vanilla Visa gift card, ensure you have the physical card and the accompanying packaging or card holder. Now check the packaging of the back of the card for the activation instruction. There might be a sticker or printed information indicating the steps to activate your card. Some Vanilla Visa gift card are pre-activated at the time of purchase. If your card is pre-activated, you can skip the activation process and use the card immediately. This will be mentioned on the packaging or receipts, right? Now, if your card requires activations, follow the steps. So here I mentioned each and everything. Now you have to go to the visit their official Visa gift card, that is a vanillagift.com. Now enter the required information such as card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Now here comes the phone activation. Call the toll-free number and provided on the card or packaging. Usually there is always a number here. Follow the automated prompts or speak with the customer service and just follow the instruction. Of course, they will ask you necessary information that you have to enter. And once the activation process is complete, you may receive a confirmation message on the website or over your phone that your card should now be ready for use. For security purpose, sign in back of your Vanilla Visa gift card in the designated signature panel. Your Visa Vanilla gift card is now activated and ready to use. You can use it on the online purchase, in-store transactions, or anywhere Visa is accepted. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.